So, you remember the man lift video, right?
What do you think, Rue? What's gonna happen?
I don't know. I hope it's safe.
Oh my God.
Well, we got a concrete truck. Stick around to the end. I have a cool announcement, something I've been working on. You're gonna wanna see it. So our first idea was to make this into sort of a skit style video.
Thank you for calling Celestial Load and Bat, where a firm foundation matters. What can I do for you?
Hello, this is Seth with Exceedingly Righteous Construction LLC. But after only a few takes, we realized that we suck at acting.
Well, before I deliver loads, I would like to make sure that it is done safely. So I will need to add some air in the back rubber tire.
So, in essence, this is just us out messing around with the concrete truck. And like the man lift, we're just testing to see its limits. How strong is the barrel? Can it be used as a winch? I don't know. Can it? Stay tuned and find out. How strong are the chutes? Can they be used as a crane? These are just a few of the questions that we try to answer.
Working for Celestial Load and Batch has been a once-in-a-lifetime experience. They like to pay me through just good feelings, and it actually feels good.
One idea that we thought would be cool was to just overpressurize and blow up a tire.
Yeah, she's always low. You just gotta add between 50 to 60 pounds per day.
It's the wrong one.
It is? Or fucked either way. I say, yeah, it needs that little Teflon seal too. Don't have it. Is it backwards thread? Try it, turn it the other way.
I've tried fingering it both ways.
And then we had the wrong fittings for the compressed oxygen that we were gonna use. Since an air compressor cannot reach the needed pressure to blow up a tire, then we tried to just weaken the tire. 2 plies deep?
I don't know. I don't speak ply. Is it 1 inch? We're 1/2 inch. No, we're 5/8.
I'll bet you could go a little more.
I would like to thank BZI Construction for sponsoring this video.
Yeah, it blew, but nowhere near what we were wanting. Hell yeah, he's down to the cord.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, that's...
We tried. Let's go. Let's put this in there.
Okay.
Here, clog this.
Here, I got it. Hold on.
Oh, hey, fucker.
What the fuck? Oh!
Boom. We came back later with the right fittings and did it proper.
So fix it flat. Might need this.
It's probably a good time to insert some ear protection.
Okay, clear prop. Might need to turn it up higher, Seth. Oh, fuck. It's like I've been trying to avoid this kind of thing in my whole life, and then here we are. Yeah, I don't know. I wonder if that tank's not even gonna have the sack.
I'm actually gonna stand behind Am and answer.
Overinflation. I wonder if the cold temperature is giving the tire extra strength, more robustness. I imagine it does. Either that or makes it more brittle. I don't know. There it goes. Makes it more brittle. I don't know. There it goes. It's full!
Holy shit, did you feel the shockwave?
Dude, I'm telling you, that's fucking dangerous shit. Some dangerous
Oh
shit right
my
there.
gosh, dude. That was the coolest thing I think I've ever felt. Like, I've been buzzed, I've seen the air show. You can see by the tire, there was too much air. Holy shit, Seth. That is, God.
I'd say it's full. I can see the inside of it pretty good. Huh. Appears there's some oil in there. Some slippery. Everything looks like it's here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start this up.
There we go.
This thing sounds real good. Listen to that purr.
Load her on up, Ammon, load her on up. I do appreciate it. Oh. There we go, Am. We'll get that delivered immediately.
Gosh. He looks pretty. Just a really impressive mud deliverer.
Okay. Reveal. Wow.
It actually looks really,
That looks
really,
fantastic.
Really good.
One thing more important than really sound concrete is looking good delivering.
We gotta fix this air leak first. What I've got is a air tank plug kit.
Just a little bit of mechanic work on the old Oshkosh bagash.
What you could use is you can sometimes blow the dirt out. Yeah, I don't want mistaken as Western rock. You can obviously see we need some paint.
Lots
in
of
the
paint
middle.
right in the middle.
Look at that. Now we're painting the outside.
I like it.
Don't want to be overweight. Don't put too much shit on.
That gives the truck a bit of a pop, you know?
Why are you stranded out here, sir?
Looking for a ride, I guess.
Is your car broke down?
Probably so.
Okay, Seth, for your last challenge, you will be helping the gentleman that needs a ride.
Can I have a ride?
What's going on here?
Car's broke down, I guess.
Car's broke.
Yeah,
I think I can help you out with that.
let's do it.
All right, just stay right there, sir.
All right.
About 5 feet.
You can actually eat these, dude.
Well, you know,
I think we're good to go.
go for it. I think that'll work.
All right, why don't you come hop on? Let's get out of here.
Let's do it.
Hey, Seth, was you able to help that guy out with his car?
I've got her loaded up right now. I'm on my way.
See, that's the load and batch coming through.
Perfect.
Will that work for you, Leo?
That'll work.
Appreciate it. You're welcome.
You betcha.
Hi, Ammon. Can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you see the cones laid out before you?
Copy that. Over.
Navigate that truck between the cones.
Copy that.
And you're on.
Oh shit.
Okay, Ammon.
Instructor copy. How am I doing? Over.
You completely missed.
The damn cone.
Oh, I forgot about the cones. How did I do?
Yes, aside from the potential civilian that you ran over, you did well.
Feel good about that.
That thing actually shredded right up that hill. I halfway
Good,
expected
so-
it to spin out, but it did good.
How was the ride, Am?
Rough as fuck, dude. That thing doesn't have good suspension.
I can vouch for that.
The first challenge for you will be you're practicing stopping this rolling vehicle. Do your best to not die, but stop the vehicle.
Whatever is to be required.
Hey, we're going.
Get it?
It died just because the wood's off the pedal. I'm saying we'll do it again, we just don't get to use that starting.
We just started right here.
Okay,
Until it starts.
and position.
All right, Brennan, it seems that last time was a bit of a oopsie. We're going to give you another try here. The car is on its way towards behind you. The car is behind you. Roger that.
Getting into position. I don't know if I can catch it out there. I don't think I can get it. It appears it's coming back to the truck. We got it. We got it.
Mission accomplished there.
I thought it was gonna go through my truck. Dude, nobody would have got that out of the way. I was in the wrong gear, and it's like, yeah, it was like, oh, get it. Dude, that thing would have took out the fucking truck in 1 second, and then that would have been fucking on us. Dude, over there, I was in 2 high gear, and I'm like, I gotta catch that fucking pedal. Scale of 1 to 5, how did I do?
I think you actually aced it. Due to improvising, the car hauled a bunch of ass in a direction you weren't expecting, and you still caught it.
Yeah, I had to go the opposite way. It looks like it was heading towards my truck.
Oh!
How in the hell did our very worst fear come to, where the car comes backwards? Did nobody wire the steering wheel straight?
It's like, fuck, we need to have it turned just a little
Not that much, you hit the truck.
Yeah, I was ready to get I was hopping in my truck.
So, wow.
Yeah, we stopped.
It stopped. I hope my battery's good, dude. It would have missed.
That's fine. Yeah, I'm glad. You can just never be too careful in a cement truck.
What do you think, Leo?
I don't know what to think.
Yeah, that was fantastic. I was like, it's amazing how well a little PT Cruiser can do off-road.
It had a
The
good
oil
last
filter's
go.
gone and the airbags have been deployed.
Concrete trucks are rather versatile. As you can see, they've got a boom lift built right in. There's no way, man.
These are a few of the skills I've picked up in my training.
435 alive, baby. Thanks for watching. So, my announcement is we have a website. It's 435alive.com where you can find our merch. We have hats on there for sale, a little variety. Go ahead and check it out. 435alive.com. That's highly effective. What do you think, Am?
It's really nice. I like this way.